This week in the galley, we're in Seal Beach, California at Walt's Wharf. It's a restaurant I went to many, many years ago. We've never done a cooking segment here, so I'm excited to be here. And standing next to me is Chef Christian. Hey Chef, thanks for having us out today.
Thank you for having us.
And what do you have in store for us?
So today we have a local rockfish. I just rubbed some achiote paste on it. It's a chili paste, lime, citrus, herbs, and seasoning. So what we're gonna do is lather it heavily with butter. We have garlic butter here.
So that's just to keep it from getting stuck on the grill?
Exactly. And if you're ever doing a fish with skin, you want to do skin down first.
You can see the type of fish this is. It's like a red snapper,
yes,
local rockfish. You can tell by the coloring on there. So when you use a barbecue grill like this or a grill like this with wood, do you like to always have the skin on there, or?
I do. I like the skin. I mean, it keeps the nutrients in the fish. Let me oil up the grill first.
So our viewers at home, is this a tip you would give them to oil up the grill and the fish?
Exactly, yes. Oil both parts, the grill and the fish heavily, season heavily. And I usually score it here because if you ever cook fish, it kind of curls up.
Yeah.
So if you score it, it gives it a chance to breathe and not go eat. Yeah.
Cool.
So at this point, I'm going to move it, flip it.
You can already see on the sides how it's starting to separate.
Yeah. So what we have here is some yum yum peppers from our local Santa Monica Farmers Market. Just gonna throw those on the grill. So, and then for garnish, we have cilantro. Just nice picked cilantro and some plum radishes, again from the farmers market. You see why I call it plum.
Yeah.
And some Buddha's hands, citrus, and our finger limes. So this is a Buddha's hand right here. It kind of looks crazy looking.
Yeah, that's kind of bizarre.
It's like octopus. But it's only mainly used for citrus and zest. So fish is ready to go. Pull it out of the grill. So what I have here is black beans. Soak them overnight with some scallions, onions, and dried chili peppers. Just cook them, puree them, pass them through a sieve, and just ready to plate. We also have our Walt's rice. And so fish is gonna go right on. What we have here is achiote. So from the same rub, I got all the liquid from the rub, and this leftover stuff, I use that for a little marinade.
Cool.
Just lather the fish.
Well, that looks really good.
And we have your Buddha's hand. Just grate it. Finger limes.
Finger limes?
Yeah. This is our local rockfish.
This looks gorgeous, Chef.
Thank you.
And you can always tell if you're not used to cooking fish and you don't know when it's cooked, when you see it all separating like this, every little piece of it intact, but it's all separated, that lets you know that it's cooked just perfectly. And this looks great. I'm looking forward. And this is kind of neat, having been here like 15 years ago, to have a taste of the new Walt's Wharf with a piece of the old with the rice. It's pretty cool. That is good. And the beans, I've never had the beans like that.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. Well, I'm going to keep this one. This
All
looks
right,
really good.
Go ahead.
But thanks a lot, Chef. Thanks for having us here. We're in Walt's Wharf, Seal Beach, California. Just a beautiful local dish. This is a rockfish red snapper. And you can really do this with almost any fish, any of that light fish, halibut, any of that kind, any type of rockfish. It looks really, really good. Well, let's get back on the water and show you more exciting action right here on Sport Fishing. I'm eating this for lunch.